On January 11th, 2018, Mark Zuckerberg announced a huge change to the Facebook algorithm. So in today's video, we're going to talk about what that change did and if Twitch streamers actually need an active Facebook page. What's up, streamers? It's ashnichrist and welcome back to my channel where I teach you to pursue your dreams and learn to stream. If that's something you're interested in doing, make sure you hit that big red subscribe button down below for 4 videos a week about streaming. What? That's so many. What are you doing, girl? I know, it's a lot. Okay, so in Mark's announcement, he wrote, "Pages making posts that people generally don't react to or comment on could see the biggest decreases in distribution. Pages whose posts prompt conversations between friends will see less of an effect." So I totally get and love this move. I'd much rather see my sister's angsty long posts about mental health than another BuzzFeed listicle. But what does this actually mean for streamers? For most Twitch streamers, they already weren't using Facebook pages to try and grow their influence because the reach of Facebook pages has been declining over the years. But this new announcement is such a massive blow. Social media is huge for growing your community on Twitch and growing your authority in the space as a content creator. And we know that the biggest two are Twitter and Instagram. But that's a natural kind of lead into, should we be using Facebook, right? Because Facebook is so much bigger than both of those platforms. Facebook has 2 billion users, which is just over a quarter of the world. A quarter of the world is on Facebook. What? Because of its size and how everyone just seems to use it in everyday life, it's super natural for streamers to be like, should I be using Facebook to grow my channel? Am I missing out on something huge here? So because of the constant state of decline and this most recent blow to Facebook page reach, it's not super important that you're posting going live announcements on Facebook. However, I'm not saying that you don't need to be active at all or have a Facebook page at all. Going live announcements don't really naturally incite comments, which is what Facebook uses to gauge engagement. So that is such a huge part of getting more reach on Facebook, is showing that people actually have conversations in your comment section. So your going live announcements probably won't be seen by anyone unless they choose the see first option in your Facebook page, but that doesn't mean that it's not worth it to have an active page at all. I think it's a great idea to claim your name on every platform, and there are some fancy things that you can do with Facebook ads to really grow your presence. Like, Facebook ads are such a huge under-tapped resource for a lot of people, streamers especially, yes. So to run successful Facebook ads, your Facebook page should look credible and have some good content on it. So that way whenever people come to your page from your ad, they're not just like, oh, it's literally just reposts of their other content from other platforms. It might be worth it to use the scheduler on Facebook to schedule posts to make it look like your Facebook page is active. So you can just go in there once a week, schedule a bunch of stuff, and not have to worry about it. That is super good, especially if you're doing things that garner engagement, like making posts that are just questions trying to incite conversation. But just posting a going live announcement isn't really going to do much to grow your actual reach and grow your community. People don't really go to Facebook to find streamers to watch, right? So my final piece of advice, I don't recommend that you get into Facebook right now if your strategy on Twitter or Instagram isn't super on point. Those 2 platforms are so huge and can bring a lot more potential people to you than just posting on Facebook. But if your Twitter and Instagram game are just really good right now and you feel really confident in them, it might be a great idea for you to step up your game over on Facebook to make a credible appearance on your page and to start running Facebook ads to grow your community. If you want to learn more about using social media to step up your streaming game, feel free to come and hang out with us over at patreon.com/ashnichrist. It is $1 to get access to a bunch of other resources over there, and I also have coaching, so if you need some one-on-one help, I got you over there too. So it's patreon.com/ashnichrist. There's a link down below in the description. And if you're new here, make sure you slap me on the face right below this video to subscribe. Click a video on the right to keep on watching, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye! See you later!